Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is public group. Public groups consist of certain users and these are created to group users who have different roles. Public groups, administrators and delegated administrators can create public groups. Group of users wrapped under one name and can't be owner of record. They can store records. Who can be a member of public group? Steps to create public groups. Setup, administration, users, public groups, new. Step 1. Enter group label and name. Step 2. Choose member of group from public groups, roles and subordinates, users. Step 3. Save. Let's see an example. Create a public group by the name public group demo. So to do the assignment, let's log into our Salesforce account. So we have to go with the navigation provided in PPT. So setup, administration, users, expand this, public groups. Public groups. A public group is a set of users. It can contain individual users, other groups, the users in a particular role or territory, or the user in a role or territory plus all the users below that role or territory in the hierarchy. So all we need to create a public group, click on new, provide the label and group name. By default it's taking grant access using hierarchy, it's checked, and so from here we can assign the public group. So we can also assign a public group roles. So these are the different roles and subordinates, users. So as of now we have the Salesforce network user and user A. So for now there is no public group we had created. So this is our first public group, and in this public group demo I am putting both the users. Click add to delegated administrator groups. I am leaving this. Click on save button. So our public group demo has been created. Like this we are creating the public groups. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.